Hi everybody, today we are going to find a solution of a problem in your textbook. You can see a picture here and the question is, in the picture the square on the hypotenuse of the topmost right triangle is drawn. Calculate the area and the length of a side of the square. From the question, it is clear that we want to find the area of this square and also want to find the length of one side of this square. For that, here it is given that the length of this side is 1 meter and here this length is 1 meter. Again, here you can see that this is 1 meter. Here this length is 1 meter and here it is also 1 meter. So I'm going to give the name of these triangles. First I am giving here the name of this triangle as ABC. So here you can see this triangle is a right angle triangle. So we can use Pythagoras theorem to find the length of AC. And Pythagoras theorem is base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. Here hypotenuse is AC. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is equal to, here AB is 1 meter, BC is 1 meter. So AC square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square, that's equal to 1 plus 1, that's equal to 2. That is AC square is 2, so AC is root 2. So this length is root 2 meter. Again, next we are going to find the length of AD. That is, here the length is 1 meter, here it is root 2 meter. So here also this is a right angle triangle. So again we can find the length of AD by using Pythagoras theorem. So AD square is equal to 1 square plus root 2 square. That is, this is equal to 1 square plus root 2 square is 2. So this is 1 plus 2, that's equal to 3. Here root 2 square is 2. Note the point that if the root of 2 and its square. For example, if we take root 4 whole square, what is the answer? Root 4 is 2 and 2 square. We are taking 2 square, we get 4. Like that we can say that root 2 whole square is equal to 2. That is, here here if we take the root and squaring it, we get the same number what is inside the root. Okay, so here 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, that is AD square is equal to 3. So we can say that AD is equal to root 3. Again we are going to find out the length of AE. Here AE is equal to, AE square is equal to 1 square plus root 3 square. We are using the same method here because this is a right angle triangle. Again ADE is a right angle triangle. So you calculating this is equal to 1 plus 3, that's equal to 4. So A is equal to root 4. Length of A is root 4 meter. Root 4, that's equal to 2. Okay. Next we are going to find the length of AF. Here this is also a right angle triangle, so AF square is equal to 1 square plus 2 square. Here this length is 1 and here this length is 1 and this length is 2. So 1 square plus 2 square, that's equal to 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is equal to 4, that's equal to 5. Therefore AF is length of AF, that is AF is equal to root 5. AF is equal to root 5. So you can see that the length of this root 5 is the length of one side of the square, the length of one side of the square. So its area is equal to root 5 square, that is 5. Therefore we got the answer. We get the answer that length of one side of the square is equal to root 5 meter and area of the square is equal to 5 square meter. The second question is, a square is drawn on the altitude of an equilateral triangle of side 2 meter. You can see a picture here. Question number 1. What is the area of the square? What is the altitude of the triangle? Third question. What are the lengths of the other two sides of the triangle shown below? Then you can see here an equilateral triangle and an altitude is drawn here. So taking this altitude as one side, here a square is drawn and we want to find the area of the square and find the length of this altitude. And here the length of one side is given. We want to find the length of other two sides of this triangle. For that, here ABD is the equilateral triangle, same equilateral triangle, and here the length of AB is 2 meter. So the length of AD is also 2 meter because this is an equilateral triangle. And BC is the altitude, C is the midpoint of AD. So if AD is 2 meter, then the length of AC is 1 meter. C is the midpoint of AD. Now we want to find the length of BC. So this is ABC is a right angle triangle. So we can say that BC square is equal to AB square minus AC square. That is, here we are using again Pythagoras theorem. That is, BC square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. That is, BC square is equal to, here hypotenuse is 2 meters, so therefore 2 square minus base is 1 meter, 1 square, that's equal to 4 minus 1, that's equal to 3. Therefore length of BC is equal to root 3. So we get the answer that the length of the altitude is root 3. Also this is the side of the square. So we can say the area of the square is equal to 3 square meter or 3 meter square. And the length of altitude is equal to BC, that's equal to root 3 meter. And the third question is, here the length of AB is 2 meter. Here the triangle ABC is same as this triangle ABC. Here Length of AB is 2 meter. Here also length of AB is 2 meter. So length of AC, here the length of AC is 1 meter. And this length of BC is also the length of BC here. So length of BC is equal to root 3 meter. Thank you.